Hi folks, part 3, warm walking cooler on a Sunday evening. Top of a roof. Very nice out there. No chemtrails today, nice clear sky. That's a good sign. Okay, so I added the stop leak as in part 2. You see the tube is empty, it was purple. And adding the Freon as we speak. Compressor's running straight away. It's not shutting down on low pressure. It's not short cycling. So again, hopefully the stop leak will find the leak and cure it, so we don't have to come back again and do this again. So give us a call if you have any refrigeration problems. 24/7, we're still here for the public during this pandemic. Doesn't look like it's going to be slowing down too shortly here, but you never know. They might call up this pandemic anytime. We pray so. So give me a call, 484-764-7738, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All your emergencies are here covered, not a problem. Thank you very much. God bless. Be safe.